Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're ready to file your taxes online this year, the very first step is creating a Turbotax account. In this full 2025 guide, I'll walk you through every click and detail so you can register quickly and securely. By the end, you'll be ready to dive right into your tax return, so stay tuned because missing a single step could delay your filing. Go to the Turbotax website. Start by opening your favorite web browser, Chrome, Safari, Edge, anything you like. In the search bar, type TurboTax or simply enter turbotax.intuit.com. This will take you directly to the official TurboTax homepage. Always make sure you're on the real site because you'll be sharing personal financial details. Find the Sign Up option. Once the page loads, look to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see a button that says Sign Up. Click that, and you're on your way. Register your account. You'll land on the registration page. Here's where you create your Intuit account. Quick tip. If you already use other Intuit services like QuickBooks or Mint, you can skip this part and sign in with that same email and password. If you're brand new, fill in the required fields. Email address, use one you check often because you'll need it for verification. A strong password, mix uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Any additional personal info they ask for, such as your phone number or name security and verification. Before you click anything, double-check that every detail is correct. This is critical to prevent issues when you start filing. Then click Create an Intuit account. TurboTax will likely send you a confirmation email. Open your inbox and don't forget to check the spam folder. Click the verification link in that email to activate your account fully. Without this step, you might be locked out of important features. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone preparing their taxes this year. And don't forget to subscribe for more quick, foolproof tech and finance tutorials. Thanks for watching and good luck with your filing.